Hello, and welcome to this video on building your very own AI. I hope that you will find this short tutorial informative and that it will give you a better understanding of the specifics of AI modeling. In this video, we will cover the basics of what AI is, the different types of AI, and the steps to building your own AI. We will also discuss the benefits of AI and the ways it can be used to improve your business or organization. Let's start with the basics. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. These machines are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, understanding natural language, making decisions, and solving problems. In other words, AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. When used within a business model, AI can significantly improve the entire scope of productivity for the better. With the potential to significantly increase revenue and productivity by automating repetitive tasks, providing predictive analytics, personalizing the customer experience, detecting fraud, providing customer service, optimizing supply chain operations, enhancing cybersecurity and human resource management, AI can fill many different shoes. With the potential to significantly increase revenue and productivity by automating repetitive tasks, providing predictive analytics, personalizing the customer experience, detecting fraud, providing customer service, optimizing supply chain operations, enhancing cybersecurity and human resource management. It's easy to see why AI has become a major asset in simplifying overall world information and productivity. There are several different types of AI, including rule-based AI. This type of AI follows a set of predefined rules to make decisions. Expert systems, an AI that has been trained to perform a specific task or make decisions in a specific area of expertise. Machine learning, an AI that is able to learn from data and improve its performance over time without being explicitly programmed. To build your own AI, you will need to start by identifying the problem you want to solve or the task you want the AI to perform. This will determine the type of AI you will need to build. Next, you will need to gather and clean your data. This is an important step as the quality of your data will directly impact the performance of your AI. Once you have your data ready, you will need to choose a machine learning algorithm and train your AI on the data. There are many different algorithms to choose from, including decision trees, random forests, and neural networks. After training your AI, you will need to evaluate its performance and fine-tune it as necessary. This may involve adjusting the algorithm or adding more data. Now that you have a basic understanding of how to build an AI, let's talk about the benefits of AI. AI can be used to automate repetitive tasks, make more accurate predictions, and improve decision-making. In the business world, AI can be used to improve customer service, optimize supply chains, and increase efficiency. In healthcare, AI can be used to analyze medical images and assist with diagnoses. In finance, AI can be used to detect fraud and predict market trends. The possibilities are endless, and as AI technology continues to advance, it will become an increasingly valuable tool for businesses and organizations of all types. If you are enjoying this video and would like to see more, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and be sure to click the bell to receive notifications when new videos are uploaded. Thanks, and I appreciate your support. Here are the basic steps to building an AI model and the key concepts you need to know. Now that you're ready. The first step in building an AI model is to define the problem you want to solve. This will determine the type of AI you will be building. To begin, gather and prepare data. The next step is to gather and prepare the data that will be used to train your model. This step is critical as the quality of your data will directly impact the performance of your AI. Choose a model architecture for your AI. After you have your data ready, you will need to choose a model architecture. A model architecture is a blueprint for how the AI will be built, and there are many different architectures to choose from, such as decision trees, random forests, and neural networks. Train the model. Once you have chosen a model architecture, it's now time to begin training your model to your data. This is the process of adjusting the model's parameters to fit the data and improve its performance. Once you have completed the data training process, it's finally time to evaluate your model. After training the model, it's important to evaluate its performance. This is typically done by testing the model on a separate dataset and comparing its performance to the expected results. Fine-tune the model. Based on the evaluation results, you may need to make adjustments to the model to improve its performance. This can involve adjusting the model architecture, adding more data, or trying different training techniques. Deploy your AI. Once you are satisfied with the performance of your model, you can deploy it to a production environment. This can involve integrating the model into an application or creating an API for others to access it. But that's not all. Before you begin, it's important to recognize that there are key tools and technologies that are required to build an AI model. For instance, programming languages. The most common programming languages used to build AI models are Python, and these languages provide a wide range of libraries and frameworks that make it easier to work with data and perform complex calculations. Machine learning libraries. Popular machine learning libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn are used to train and evaluate AI models. These libraries provide a wide range of algorithms and tools for data preprocessing, feature selection, and model evaluation. Development environments. To build and test AI models, it's helpful to use a development environment like Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab. These environments provide an easy way to write, test, and share code, and they integrate well with machine learning libraries. Data visualization tools. To understand and interpret the results of an AI model, it's important to use data visualization tools such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, or Plotly. These tools allow you to create charts, graphs, and other visualizations that help you understand the data and the model's performance. Cloud computing. Building and training AI models requires a lot of computational resources, and cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP provide the necessary infrastructure to handle large datasets and perform complex calculations. Deployment tools. After building and training an AI model, it's important to deploy it to a production environment. Tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and TensorFlow serving can be used to deploy the model and make it available for use. In summary, building an AI model involves defining the problem, gathering and preparing data, choosing a model architecture, training the model, evaluating its performance, and fine-tuning it as necessary. Also, a combination of programming languages, machine learning libraries, development environments, data visualization tools, cloud computing, and deployment tools. It is important to have a good understanding of these tools and technologies to effectively build and deploy an AI model. It's important to note that building AI is not a one-person task. It typically requires a team of people with different skill sets and a lot of computational resources. Thank you for watching this video on the creation of AI. I hope you have a better understanding of the key tools and technologies that are required to build an AI model. Remember, building an AI model requires advanced knowledge in computer science, mathematics, and machine learning, so be sure to check out online resources such as online courses, tutorials, and introductory books on the subject. Please feel free to leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought of this video.